Got right on the phone. We'll change the sign on the door, we'll change our website and try to inform patients.
But first at 9, a major change on abortion rights across our state.
An appeals court decision greatly expands access to the procedure, now making it temporarily legal to get an abortion up until 15 weeks. Alexis Dominguez has been working this story. She is live in the newsroom tonight. Alexis, this comes amid a lot of confusion.
Yeah, that's right, Emma. This comes 2 weeks after a Pima County judge ruled to enforce a near total ban created back in the 1800s. That law is now temporarily on hold, and the 15-week abortion ban now takes precedent. One Valley doctor I spoke with tells me this is good news, but the back and forth is so confusing for patients.
We were used to answering the phones and trying to help patients navigate care outside of the state. And we had worked out a system where we would see them before and then have them set up telemedicine visits in California.
But as of Friday, clinics like Camelback Family Planning in Phoenix are once again able to perform certain abortions in the state of Arizona.
We will be back to providing care like we always have, except with the gestational ban, which is very cruel in and of itself. But I'm certainly grateful that we can provide care for about 90, it comes out to be about 92% of our patients that are under 15 weeks.
Friday, the appellate judges sided with Planned Parenthood Arizona, writing that there's a need to straighten out the state's abortion laws. Dr. Gabrielle Goodrick describes the news as bittersweet.
It just really wreaks havoc on patients' lives. But, like I said, we're grateful for the stay, but it's temporary.
Without a definitive stance on abortion finalized in Arizona.
This appellate court probably almost certainly will not have the last word.
Mark Kokanovich, a former United States attorney, believes the legal battle over Arizona's abortion laws will continue to move up to higher courts.
It will go at least to the Arizona Supreme Court. And, the Supreme Court has already opined that Roe versus Wade is not the law of the land anymore after Dobbs.
Both Kokanovich and Dr. Goodrick agree the fate of abortions in our state could change quickly.
The upcoming election has a huge impact on the future of this litigation.
I imagine things will change after the election, depending on the results.
A spokesperson from the Arizona Attorney's Office sent us this statement saying, quote, "Our office understands this is an emotional issue and we will carefully review the court's ruling before determining the next step." And we're still working to find out where the Maricopa County Attorney's Office stands on all of this. We'll let you know as soon as we hear back. Reporting live in the newsroom, Alexis Dominguez for Arizona's Family.
All right, thank you, Alexis. Another news.